Hello, my name is Jo Vinhouse, and I've been using a massage chair since 2018. What led me to get a massage chair is that I have two protruding discs, and I was contemplating having surgery, and so I decided to try the massage chair, and I used to go get a massage at least twice a month, sometimes weekly, and go to the chiropractor 2 or 3 times a month. And since getting the massage chair in 2018, I have rarely go to the chiropractor, and I haven't been to the massage therapist since I got my chair. So it really has paid for itself, and it has kept me from having any acute episodes with my back. I used to have them fairly often, and since I've been using the massage chair regularly, I would say I use it at least 5 times a week. And I often sleep in it at night. If my back has been bothering me, I get in the chair, it relaxes me, and I go to sleep. So I'd highly recommend it.